It's amazing to see how a couple of wood dowels and a 3D printer make something meaningful and impactful. Not everyone is able to afford a System 8 devices, so I am 3D printing canes and walkers in a very sustainable and affordable way.
We open source all of these designs. Anyone with access to a 3D printer can manufacture these.
Being an engineer is a lot of the hands-on experience, but there's cost to it.
Donor-funded awards take a huge burden off of students. It allows them to not worry about where the next meal is coming from, not worry about how they're paying for their education. Donor dollars allow us to explore creative ideas.
You can't do a project alone. You have a vision to make a difference in the world. You do things that you never thought possible, and someone's believing in you.